This is our removable pole step. It's part number VAF 1019. It's designed for easy removal so that people can't access the pole when you leave. It's built with a molly bolt, this bracket. This goes through here, goes through the opening in the pole. You tighten it up with a ratchet as tight as you can get it. What it does is it spreads these octopus arms out. This threaded piece catches inside here, which spreads them out, makes it extremely tight, won't move. Put your step in, climb your tower. When you're done, take the step out, and you're done. It's that easy. Thank you.